Today we're doing a spotlight on one of my all-time favorite plants, adeniums, also known as desert roses. The two most common varieties of adeniums that you're going to find are the Adenium Arabicums, which is the one on this side, and then you have the Obesum, which is the one on this side. In the Obesums, you'll see that they have a lot more root growth, and the Arabicums tend to have more of a bottle-like shape and a little bit less root growth. Both of them get nice thick trunks as they mature. Care for these are relatively simple. What you can do is plant them in a potting mix that you add a little bit of extra perlite. You want to ensure that these have really adequate drainage. Again, they are a desert dwelling plant. Just remember to occasionally water them. I only fertilize these at the beginning of the growing season, and that's it. They'll produce flowers pretty much all season long. Then towards the downtime, they do tend to drop all the flowers, and it is okay if you see all the leaves start to fall off. They tend to defoliate. Then once the growing season begins again, they'll push out new growth. These are going to want as much light as possible. If you're growing them up north, you will need to bring them outside during the cooler months and just make sure you keep them in a sunny place. And as always, for more tips, tricks, and growing articles, you can check us out at gardenersyards.com.